Hello crochet friends, this is Ursi Crafts and Design talking. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to crochet this beautiful flower. These flowers can be used to do summer tops, beautiful summer tops. We will use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, some cotton yarn 2 millimeters in diameter, darning needle. First we will do a magic loop, and in the magic loop we will crochet 3 chains. This is the start of our row, and then we will do a double crochet. Then chain 8. This will be the base of our petal. After we chain 8, we will do 3 half double crochet in the magic ring. This sequence will be done 5 times. So we do 3 half double crochet, chain 8, 3 half double crochet, chain 8, and so on until we arrive. We will have 6 loops of 8 chains. This is a very versatile flower. You can use it to do tops, summer tops, very nice, and also dresses, and also use it as an accessory. And it's quite my first project like this, and I'm very curious how this will end up. You will be able to see it on my YouTube page and TikTok page, and also on my Facebook page, Ursi Crafts and Design. In the end, instead of doing 3 double crochet, we will do just 1, and then slip stitch in the first loop. We will start the petals, so we will half double crochet 1 and 2 double crochet 10 times in the 8 chain cord. And in the end, we will do another half double crochet. So our petals will be like 1 half double crochet, 10 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. And then a slip stitch in the second half double crochet of the first row, and we do it 6 times. This is a very easy flower to crochet, and I saw that it's really in trend to crochet flowers and to craft some summer tops, crochet summer tops, and they are very stylish, and you can use these tops on the bathing suit, on t-shirt, and they look very nice. Hope that it is very clear how to crochet this kind of flower. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my TikTok channel and Facebook channel, and give a like if you like it. I hope that my English is good. By the way, I'm from Romania, and I crochet from like 5 years now, since the pandemic, coronavirus pandemic. But I learned to crochet when I was a little girl from my grandmother, and I remember it. And using tutorials on YouTube, I started to learn so much, and I like it very much. It's very relaxing and very good for the mind if you want some quiet. and some silence. In the end, you just slip stitch and you cut the yarn. And this is the flower. It is very cute, and this color, I like it and I love it so much. I can't wait to show you my finished product. So I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye. Kisses.